Salam, Privyet, and hello. My name is Richard Howe, and I work with the North Caspian Operating Company, or NCOC for short. And I want to welcome you to our official company page. In NCOC, we run our business guided by some core principles as responsible members of our community and the Republic of Kazakhstan, as being proactively transparent and always in full compliance with the law. Now, as you may already know, we've been very open to the public in the past, and now we're taking that level of access even a step further to get closer to our communities and to our stakeholders via social media. As a company, NCOC has some really ambitious plans. We want to give our best to the country to run a safe operation and to do that as an ecologically minded company and to contribute to Kazakhstan's dynamic growth. The things that we do in pursuit of those goals will be updated here periodically. So please stay tuned to our channels in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So welcome, thank you, Rahmet, and Kosh Keldings dear.